Why you suck at LinkedIn. Number one, your LinkedIn profile. Why it sucks. So you don't treat your profile like a landing page, which means you'll have zero conversions. You don't have a clear LinkedIn headline, and you don't have a Korean featured section to build some trust. Number two, your LinkedIn post. Why they suck. So you don't alternate between top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel content. You don't post LinkedIn carousels enough, which gives you 2 to 8 times more reach than the median reach. And you don't tell your story to create some emotional attachment with your audience so people don't stick with you over time. Number three, your LinkedIn outreach. Why it sucks. So essentially, you're not relevant enough and you go straight for the kill too rapidly. Essentially, it means that you pitch slapping people and they don't like that. You don't use a casual tone in your LinkedIn messages. You have to bear in mind that you're not sending emails here. So chill out a little bit. And finally, your approach is way too obvious. Make it more natural. Number four, your LinkedIn inbox. Why it sucks. So it sucks because you can't filter conversation with leads from other people inside the LinkedIn inbox. You can't put a proper follow-up process in place, and you don't use a sales CRM like Brackle to fix this problem. Number five, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator use. Why it sucks. So you don't use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads who are active on LinkedIn. Then after you complain that they don't accept your LinkedIn invite, while you can actually filter with people who posted in the last 30 days on LinkedIn. Number six, your LinkedIn metrics. Why they suck. So you don't optimize your profile for conversions, but for followers. You don't understand that a big reach is shit if it doesn't bring you cash. And finally, you don't use tools like Autodop to analyze what type of posts work the best for you. Number seven, your LinkedIn time. Why it sucks. So you don't allocate time slots to engage with peers and leads 30 minutes a day. You don't turn off notifications on your phone and get interrupted so you never reach the deep work phase. And finally, you don't schedule your LinkedIn posts in advance every week. Number eight, your LinkedIn audience. Why it sucks. So you don't focus on a specific niche or location enough. You don't refuse at all LinkedIn invites that are not in your target audience, and you don't make LinkedIn posts that resonate well with your audience. Number nine, your CRM and LinkedIn. Why it sucks. So you don't have a sales CRM that auto-sync LinkedIn conversations. You don't have a sales CRM that you can control from LinkedIn, and you don't have a sales CRM built for email and socials. So go try Brackle at brackle.com. You have a 14-day free trial. See you in the next video. Bye.